Hello investors. Today we take a closer look at how cryptocurrencies are taxed. Given that Cryptovia is a global investment platform, it is necessary for each investor to proceed with tax issues in accordance with the laws of their country. From our side, we provide investors with all the necessary accounting documents for the taxation. On other exchanges, you can only find the history of deposits, withdrawals and trades. However, an informative conversion to fiat currency, i.e. to euros or dollars, is missing. We go further. We send a notification about each transaction, which also includes the aforementioned conversion to fiat currency. So you can fully document your income and expenses from this area in your accounting. So how is it with the taxation of cryptocurrencies in Slovakia? According to the current legislation, cryptocurrencies do not have the status of an official currency such as the euro. By their nature, they are perceived as a very liquid asset. What does liquid mean? It is a way to quickly acquire an asset and sell it again. As an example, let's mention the market for mobile phones, cars or apartments. These markets are also extremely liquid. Buying a mobile phone and selling it again is not a problem nowadays, just like buying and selling cryptocurrency. On the other hand, there are markets that are less liquid, where it can take months to find a buyer. For example, the art market. And that is the advantage of cryptocurrencies. Exchange cryptocurrency for fiat currency is a matter of seconds. For this reason, we can perceive cryptocurrencies as currency. And it is a fact that it is becoming a favorite way of many entrepreneurs. Slovak laws allow payment in cryptocurrencies for goods and services, but it is necessary to indicate the conversion to euros according to the current exchange rate with each payment. Compared to other exchanges, Cryptovia provides this. You will receive an official accounting document by mail for every deposit, withdrawal, and exchange of cryptocurrencies. In the same way, we send an invoice to investors when paying for our services. For comparison, the Czech Republic has a uniform tax for cryptocurrencies at the level of 15%. In Slovakia, tax on cryptocurrencies falls under Section 8, i.e. Other income. For natural persons, the tax is either 19 or 25%, plus 14% health insurance. This means that in Slovakia, a natural person will pay tax on income from the sale of cryptocurrencies, either 33 or up to 39%. Which is, to put it bluntly, too high a tax compared to surrounding states. The situation is a bit better if you own cryptocurrencies as a legal entity. In this case, if the taxable profit is lower than 49,000 euros, the tax is 15%. If it is higher, the tax is 21%. A legal entity does not pay health contributions. However, it should be remembered that the money obtained from cryptocurrencies remains in the company account, and you can withdraw it in the form of a salary or dividends with a 7% state fee. It is important to know how the profit is calculated. In the first step, you need to buy cryptocurrency. Its value converted to euros represents your cost. After that, it is assumed that you hold the cryptocurrency for a certain period of time. During that time, the course will change. In the final stage, you will sell the cryptocurrency. Its value converted to euros is your return. From a tax point of view, it is no longer important what you want to do with the income. This is the moment when the profit from the sale of cryptocurrency is calculated as the difference between your income and cost. If you have made a profit, the amount must be taxed in accordance with applicable legislation. The problem with all exchanges is that at the moment of buying and selling cryptocurrencies, they do not convert their value into euros, and do not archive this value in their systems. Cryptovia has eliminated this shortcoming. As we have already mentioned, it converts every purchase and sale into euros and sends the result to the investor in the form of a report. You can include the document in accounting. But we went even further. With a large number of transactions, it may be difficult to correctly determine the cost of buying cryptocurrencies. In our system, you will find the tax advisor icon. Based on archived data using the FIFO method, he precisely specifies costs and revenues and thus calculates the total profit that is subject to taxation. We are the only exchange that offers such services. Do not forget that the important factor is the time, how long you hold the cryptocurrency. If I buy a cryptocurrency and immediately sell it, it is assumed that the exchange rate against the euro has not changed, so the profit from the sale or the loss will not be large. Also, don't forget that cryptocurrency is subject to taxation only upon sale, not when acquiring, holding or mining it. The sale of cryptocurrency is considered to be exchange cryptocurrency for an asset or service. Exchange of cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency. Exchange cryptocurrency for fiat currency. What all can be part of the cost? Purchase price, exchange fees and, during mining, depreciation, rent and energy. As a legal entity, you can offset any loss from trading against other costs. The total loss from cryptocurrencies is not a tax document.